Divide 956 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 5 and it is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 956 divided by 4 is 239. So this much for today and thanks for watching.